In today's session, we will be learning about Visual Basic VBX controls. So let us see what are VBX controls first of all. We have learned so many controls already in the beginning of the Visual Basic. So now let us see what our VBX controls are specially. Several standard controls are built into the Windows operating system, including such things as sliders, tree and list controls, progress bars and so on. These and other controls are readily available for use in the Visual C++ applications. They can be found on the controls palette in the Dialog Painter editor in the Developer Studio. So this is how we can import the VBX controls. You can just check the picture here. You can see the different VBX controls. So let's see how to import the VBX controls. For example, you have static text control. Static text control used to present text to the user. The user will not be able to change the text or otherwise interact with the control. Static text is intended as a read-only control. However, you can easily change the text displayed by the control as your application is running through the code you create for your application. Edit box control. An edit box allows the user to enter or change the text. The edit box is one of the primary tools for allowing the user to enter specific information that your application needs. It is a control that allows the user to type a specific amount of text which you can capture. Another control is command button control. A command button is a button that the user can press to trigger some action. Command buttons have a textual label that can give users some idea of what will happen when they click that button. Buttons can also have images as part of the button, allowing you to place an image on the button alone or along with the textual description to convey what the button does. Checkbox control. A checkbox is a square that the user can click to check or uncheck it. The checkbox control is used to turn a particular value on and off. They are basically on or off switches with an occasional third in between state. You normally use checkboxes to control discrete on or off type variables. Radio button control. A radio button is a circle that the user can click to fill with a black spot. The radio button is similar to the checkbox control, but it is used in a group of two or more where only one of the values can be in the state at a time. We use radio buttons in a group of at least 3 surrounded by a group box. The group box allows each group of radio buttons to be independent so that only one radio button in each group can be in the on state at a time. Picture. It allows a rectangular area to be placed in the dialog box where a bitmapped image or icon can be placed. Drop-down list box control. A drop-down list box or a combo box control is an edit box with a list of available values attached. You use the drop-down list box to provide a list of choices from which the user may select one value from the list. Sometimes the user is given the option of typing in his own value when a situation 1 is not provided in the list. Edit box. An edit control is used to display text to the user, input text from the user. Horizontal and vertical scroll bar. A scroll bar is a rectangular object equipped with a bar terminated with 2 arrows. Hotkeys. A hotkey is a single key or a combination of keys which allows the quick selection of items. Tree control. A tree control is an object that displays a hierarchical list of items arranged as a physical tree but a little upside down. Tab control. It allows the user to flip to different pages within one dialog box. Animation control. An animation is a series of pictures put together to produce a video clip. Rich edit. A rich edit control is a Windows object that resembles an edit box, can handle text that is formatted. Date time picker. The date time picker control displays date and time information. IP address control. IP address control entry of 32-bit IP addresses controls. Custom control. A custom allows the use of existing custom or user controls. So these are the different VBX controls. You please try all of these controls with some example applications. Thank you.